The Lok Sabha is expected to witness heated proceedings as the second phase of the budget session resumes on March 9th. The House will take up an opposition resolution seeking the removal of Speaker Om Birla. The move is considered rare and reflects growing tensions between the opposition and the ruling alliance. Such an attempt has not taken place in nearly 4 decades. The BJP-led NDA holds a clear majority in the 543-member Lok Sabha. This gives the ruling party an advantage when the resolution is put to vote. Both the BJP and the Congress have issued whips asking their MPs to be present in the House. The opposition has accused Speaker Om Birla of acting in a partisan manner while conducting proceedings. A notice signed by 118 MPs said he did not allow Leader of Opposition Rahul Gandhi and other members to speak during the motion of thanks to the President's address. The notice also criticized the suspension of 8 opposition MPs. Earlier, Prime Minister Narendra Modi had defended the Speaker. He said Om Birla remained committed to constitutional values and parliamentary democracy. The Trinamool Congress has also announced support for the motion. The party had not initially signed the notice but later said it would back the opposition. During the discussion, Om Birla will not preside over the House. Instead, he will sit among members. Parliamentary rules allow him to respond to the allegations and also vote when the motion is taken up. The resolution was submitted to the Lok Sabha Secretariat by Congress leaders Gaurav Gogoi, K. Suresh and Mohammad Javed on behalf of several opposition parties. Apart from the motion, other issues are likely to be raised during this session. Opposition parties are expected to question the government on tensions in West Asia following US-Israel strikes on Iran and the possible impact on global oil supplies and prices. The budget session of Parliament is scheduled to continue until April 2nd.